Is he even recording, dog? What up, YouTube? Ty Foster 47 here. I'm back with a gaming setup. I haven't done one of these in a long time because I haven't done one since like the summer. I used to post them like once every 2 weeks talking about some upgrade of my gaming setup, upgrade. But I know how bad it was, and it's still horrible right now. Like before, I used to have a 2004 Acer monitor hooked up to my laptop with just a PS4 and like a 55-inch TV from Hitachi, I think. But now I've been getting there. I got some lights. I got a new TV. My monitor. I'm gonna buy some monitors soon. Cause don't worry, this summer's coming up real fast, and I got a job. So that's why I'm putting my effort in. I got a little stuff now, but everything's gonna be replaced, and by the end of the summer, it's gonna be lit. And guess what? I'm having vlogs for every time I go get something. Well, let's just have a little sneak peek of when I'm walking. That's my new TV. I am still recording with a potato. I could have even at least recorded my iPhone 7 because it's broken. But look, this is a 50-inch Hisense 4K smart TV. So just show you some things that it does. YouTube, 4K, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Got different inputs. It got my that has my local it's my room. It has a Amazon Fire Stick, and it has my PlayStation 4 and Xbox One. It's all right there. Hold on, let me turn the lights on, dog. Y'all still got this bum recliner right there. I know my bed's not made. So, see, I tell you my iPhone 7 is not working right now, so I got this. It's a little Android, but it's not like a horrible one. Look at some of my apps I have. Oh, see, keeping focus. What things I have up here? I have a Bluetooth headphones from Boom. I'm gonna keep these headphones, but also get some newer gaming headphones. These are like a basketball game, or I just want to listen to some music. My LED lights. I got these from Walmart, I think. They change colors. Blue, red, all that. Some Jordans over there. My other shoes in the closet. So let me just turn it to green. I like it on green for some reason. So now, PlayStation 4, Xbox One, PlayStation camera. So now, my Google Home. Hey Google, what's the weather?
Currently in Vernon, it's 74 and mostly cloudy. Tonight, it's predicted to be 69 and...
Be quiet. So next I'm getting a bigger Google. I want to do an investigation because I have the Google Home Mini. What's the real difference between the regular Google Home? I got my LED thing. This is for my Alexa. No, my Amazon Fire Stick. This is my smart TV. Some trophies and stuff. Now let's move to my Elgato HD. Well, let me take this. My Elgato HD 60. I'll just take camera. Y'all been seeing this. I got a new monitor, but it's not a new monitor if you understand what I'm saying. Like, it's a new monitor to me, but it's kind of old still. Like, I think I got this in my school. Well, I know I got this at that's inside of my school. This, I don't think they have this at my school though. So I don't know if you ever seen my Logitech. I know y'all hear my mom in the background. So Logitech right there, wireless keyboard and mouse. Have a DVD player. Have an iPad. I watch videos in there. Just sit back and rewatch the videos I made. This is not that bad, but like, come on. I have so much different shopping carts. I bring you to my Amazon one and my Walmart one. I'm gonna show you all the stuff I'm getting. Cause I don't even care about YouTube that much. I just care about having a nice setup and things. Monitors, I'm about to order that tomorrow. I'm ordering this tomorrow. That's why it's in my cart. A desk. I have a 63-inch, but I'm moving. Most of y'all don't know I'm moving. So I'm getting a new desk. Wireless charger. I don't know what phone I'm gonna get. I told you that Android is just temporary. So it's either gonna be an iPhone 8 and up, or Galaxy S8 and up, because that's what it says. Look, for iPhone 8 Plus. Oh, then I got getting stereos, HDMI, blah 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 blah. I don't think I really need this. I'm not posting on YouTube that much. I don't know. This is for my broken gaming chair. Y'all all watch my gaming chair video. If you, I'll put the link in the description and skip the 5 minutes. Buying gaming headphones. I don't really want this. I just put this in there to remember I'm getting some. Stream mic. I already have. I don't even know what this is in there. Mini fades. Don't forget I'm moving. I need a new gaming chair, because unless I buy this piece, I'm getting a new gaming chair. Camera. I might buy a pre-ordered one. A pre-ordered PC. I'm getting another laptop. So let's see if I have anything in my Walmart cart. Just another monitor. Oh, then a USB hub. All the same things. Sometimes stuff is cheaper. So like, let's search up gaming keyboard. No, let me go to the Best Buy real quick. Best Buy. Please stay until the end of the video. I have stuff to tell you at the end of the video. I'm gonna try to make it not 10 minutes, because it's not like I get ads, so I don't even want it to be 10 minutes. I really don't care. Where you even hold? Oh, there we go. What? BestBuy.com. I don't know what's wrong with Best Buy. What about this? Everything still works, but Best Buy. Let's talk to you now. Alright, so guys, why is it so dark? I could tell it's dark. I don't know why it's so dark. Hold up. There we go. Was that dark the whole time? I really can't tell, but look. Hey guys, so this summer I'm going crazy. I'm getting everything. I got a new job. I'm a paid intern, making stats. Don't try to rob me, cause I will keep the hammer on me. Okay? Today's Saturday, 8:25 p.m., 6/2/2018. I took the SATs today again. The last time I got a 10. This time I'm aiming for 1100. I think I did better on the English this time. Cause the math I had 590 last time, but only 420 in English. I'm not really good at English. Yeah, make fun of me that I can't talk. It's cause I'm not good at English. Okay? What's wrong with y'all dudes? But math, you're not beating me. Tell me right now what 16 times 16. Oh, that's what I thought. Thank you. But, alright, I think that's going to be it for the video. Let's see if it's going to do it. Yeah, I got to record my iPad. Tell you my iPhone's broken. But watch this. Hey, Google. Say goodbye.
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that yet, but I'm trying to learn.